Hey folks, Everyday American here. Gonna do hopefully a quick video on the R model here. I've been having a problem when I'm driving it empty, well, which is all the time because I don't have a trailer for it yet. It's really jumpy, and some people have said it's usually one of two things. Either there's a governor inside that's about to take a shit, which hopefully is not the case, but also this spring gets loose, and apparently these are known to break. This is the throttle return spring, so when you push your foot down on the gas pedal, it goes like this. This is wide open, and that's idle. Well, you can see the spring's broken once, and it's like zip tied, or, well, not zip tied, but like tie wired together. So I'm going to start there. I'm going to swap that out, and we'll see if it makes a difference. This is the new spring. This is not a Mack spring. I picked this up from the hardware store, but I measured it's got to be about 4 inches, and we'll see if this one doesn't work. I got a spare that's a little shorter, but it's a little heavier also, so I'm worried it might be too much. So let me get that swapped and we'll see what happens. So far so good. I got her on. Only took a few minutes. It feels like it's got the right tension and it's got the right spring rate, I guess you'd call it, and the length. I did have to bend these ends a little bit. When I got them, they were closed all the way around. They looped around like a keychain, so I just bent them a little bit with a pair of needle nose pliers to open them up. And yeah, so let's fire it up and see what it does. Well, just got back from the test run post throttle spring reinstallation, upgrade, whatever you want to call it. Apologize for the glare. The sun is very sunny today. But so far so good. I think that actually did take care of the problem. I was concerned that might be a problem with the governor inside of the injection pump. But, as my dad would say, I'm going to run it and watch it and see how it goes. But when I took that old spring off, seeing how it was kind of like, almost looked like maybe it should be in 2 pieces. So hopefully that was the problem, and I'll keep you posted. Don't forget to follow Everyday American on Facebook, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you'll keep updated on all the Mack Deputy Dog shenanigans going forward. So until next time, stay American.